Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly trends of Dow Jones indices as well as the Nasdaq indices. So basically what you are watching right now, this chart belongs to Dow Jones indices hourly chart. So the time frame of the chart obviously will be in between couple of hours to couple of days. So basically this is not a intraday but a positional kind of chart. So obvious and it's an hourly chart. So basically what we have seen in the past week, that although there are lots of volatility into the market and you could probably see couple of 100 points ups and downs, but overall the chart and the trend has not broken yet, and it is indeed inside the channel. The chart is trending inside the channel, and moreover the lower end of the channel. So this is a very good sign that it is making probably a support or accumulating within a zone, so that it could probably make a comfortable base and moves higher. So so even though there are lots of things related to health crisis and economic news and geopolitics and all that stuff, but the things we can see here is that the chart is not showing those kind of things, and that is the most important and satisfying thing, is that the chart is following the trend and it is not broken down. So these are the probable support and the resistance line inside which the chart is trading right now. So as you can see, the support level, first we have to talk about the support level, which lies near to 26,000 odd, and the immediate resistance will be at around 27,184, because it indeed touched the resistance line. It is again going down and probably will go down on the lower side of the range, but we have to check it out, because whenever the price will trend in between the range between the support and the resistance line, the probability of going down or breaking out is 50-50 obviously. So we have to calculate and take the risk or take the position accordingly, simultaneously both of the things. So once it either crosses comes down to 26,000 odd level, so it will make a decent support, and or if it breaks above 27,200 odd level, so the next target will come at around 28,500 600 levels, after which the next resistance will come at 30,100 and 30,000 30,100 to 31,100 probably. So this is the range under which it is trading, and the good thing is it is trading on the lower side of the range. So if you consider the risk and reward ratio, the simple thing we can do is we can simply exit our position if we are thinking that it's going to be on the long side and not on the short side. So the support level is at around 26,000, and if it goes below, obviously we will close down our positions, but if it will goes above or on the upside of the range, so there is a lot to cover. So this is probably the upcoming hourly trend analysis of Dow Jones indices. Now coming to Nasdaq, as I have already uh, spoke about Nasdaq and how it is the world's best and the strongest indices in any of the sense, because the kind of upside we have seen and the trend is relentless. It's not stopping by any means. You can check here right now, and this is very simple and easy to calculate. And though lots of people are saying it will go down and all that stuff, but obviously, see, as a sane practice, what we can do, a realistic view, is we have to follow the price. Obviously, if it is going down, we have to accept that it is going down and it will go down, but unless it is happening, we do have to accept that it is going up and it will go up. So this is probably the trend, and this is much simpler than the Dow Jones Indices hourly trend. So this hourly trend of Nasdaq is pretty sharp and pretty up. So if we just check out the support level, so the support levels comes near 10,300, and the resistance level will come at around 11,000 odd levels. Okay, so this is very strong chart, no doubt about it, and the kind of sharp moves on the both side will definitely make someone worry. But overall, the chart is very strong. You can see here that it is near to the support level. Okay, so we can't say that whether it will come back to the support level or not, but what we can say is it indeed comes near to the support level, it moves higher, and then it slightly backs down from that intermediate high, but it has not touched the upper side of the range yet. So the probability of moving higher is more than probability of moving lower. In that sense, we can say that the upcoming trend will be on the upside rather than on the downside. So looking at the speed and the momentum and the strength of this indices, obviously we will see that 11,000 will definitely become a reality. Although I have the long term chart, I have made a video on the long term chart of the Nasdaq a couple of months ago, and I am very firm on my analysis that the highest peak is far away from the current price, and you can check that video if you want to, and there are reasons behind it that it will definitely go higher in the weeks or in the months or probably in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like the video, do like and share it. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.